Now we're going to look at how you can write essays with ChatGPT. And not only can you write original content about any topic you want, you can also rephrase, rework, include the best SEO terms, include specific keywords, and much more. So let's dive right in. Here, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an essay at the comprehension level of a college student on the effect of blue light on sleep cycles. Incredible. So here we have ChatGPT in a matter of seconds wrote our essay at the comprehension level of a college student on the effect of blue light on sleep cycles. You can see here, in addition to its impact on melatonin production, blue light can also disrupt our circadian rhythms. The circadian rhythm is a 24-hour cycle that helps regulate various psychological processes, including sleep. When our circadian rhythms are disrupted, it can lead to a range of health problems, including sleep disorders, obesity, and depression. So let's say I want to dive a little deeper into what is the circadian rhythm. So we can ask ChatGPT to expand on this. Here I'm asking, please expand on circadian rhythms. Now ChatGPT is telling me more about what circadian rhythms are. We're diving into where the word circadian comes from. These rhythms are essentially internal clocks that help regulate our body's daily activities. Wow, I didn't know that they also affect your metabolism and hormone production, and your temperature. That's incredible. So let's go back to the first article, and let's say we like this intro, but we just want ChatGPT to reword it a little bit. Cool, so here we can see that ChatGPT rephrased the initial paragraph. So we can always ask it to work with us to find a better version of what we're trying to say here. Let's say, in addition, you wanted to add a section about blue light blocking glasses. Great. Now we've added an entire section about blue light blocking glasses. Let's say we wanted to have ChatGPT use some better words to explain the second and third paragraph. And right away, ChatGPT is going to work rephrasing and using some better words to explain the second and third paragraph. Amazing. You can see ChatGPT wasted no time and immediately responded to my request. Let's say, hypothetically, I wanted to post this article online for some reason. Let's just copy the original article and ask it to include the best SEO terms. So I'm asking ChatGPT to please rewrite the following article and include the top SEO keywords related to sleep cycles. I'm pasting in the original article that it wrote, and off we go. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT rewrote the article, but I'm unclear exactly what were the 10 SEO terms it used, and the article is a slightly different length, so this, I'm sure, is great, but let's try a different approach to get the same result. Here, I'm asking ChatGPT, what are the top 10 SEO keywords related to sleep cycles? Now, I can ask ChatGPT to rewrite this original article and include all of these terms. So I'm asking to please add the keywords above into the following article. Great. Finally, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the conclusion to be a bit more creative and engaging. Amazing. You can see that instead of starting with in conclusion, ChatGPT switched to a more interesting hook about being in today's fast-paced world and has a more engaging conclusion. This is just an example of how powerful ChatGPT really is, but hopefully you can see the amount of content you can generate and improve quickly, which is really what this is all about, saving you time.